Next device is called as routers. Routers are devices that uses the network address for filtering and forwarding information to different networks. In past, I am explaining about some of the devices like repeaters, hubs, switches. These devices are actually used for connecting local area networks, a single network. But routers are actually used for connecting your computer to the another computer which is located in far away, not within your network. Okay, what is the job actually here? The job of the router is actually filtering and forwarding. When you are connecting a computer in a local area network, the MAC address is sufficient to transmit the data. But when you are connecting your device to the network in other side, means another network outside, the MAC address is not sufficient. We need a address called as IP address. We need address called as IP address. Whenever this device A wants to transmit some data, okay, whenever this node A want to transmit some data to node C, it will send one packet. Okay, here it is sending a one packet to all the devices. It will send it to B, it will send it to C, it will send it to router 1. Okay, this packet contains IP address of node C, so it will just accept it here. Okay, here it is the IP address of this node C, it will just recognize it and then accept it. Here it will reject it. Router also contains or received that packet. It will check for the IP address. Router is it is maintaining one table called as routing table. This routing table contains the IP address of different devices connected in the local as well as far away. Okay, now it understood that it is more intelligent than the other devices, the past devices. So it understood that IP address is for local machine. So it will never send that packet to the outside. Never send that packet to the outside. So this is called as filtering. Now, if the node A want to send data to the node D, it will send that packet with the IP address of node D. Here the IP address is stored as node D. So all the other devices accept this packet but reject it. Whenever router got this same packet, it understood that this packet is not for local machine. So it will forward that to the another router. This router already maintains some path. Router is it also contains some information on the path. It also maintains some path. If I want to send data to node D, which router I have to pass? So this router already know. So it is sent it to the router 2. There may be some other routers are also available in between. There are so many different routers are there in between, but this router 1 transmit to the router 2 because it already know if the packet is sent here, it is reached to the destination. So it will send it to router 2, and router 2 knows that node is available here, node D is available here, so packet is sent here. So this is the work of routers. Routers maintain routing table. Its work is filtering and forwarding and this is called as forwarding. Whenever you send the packet over a other network, it is called as forwarding. It is also maintaining the path of the destinations. For that one, it has to follow some rules. For filtering and forwarding, it has to follow some rules. The rules is already mentioned here.